Jump ball, Makalalat, and Oson. Ball game. Takayo. Ball game, our quarter final match. Two or die game, LaSalle against Adamson.
Tangkat kasi kayo, kaya tinasan ko.
First position of Adamson. Histole. Pass to Simbaco. First attempt. Yes! On Simbaco. Walang pass coming from Histole to Simbaco. 2-0. Tagutong. Move. Foul. Foul on number 5 on Adamson. First on Tarayo. First team foul, Adamson. JC. Now to Takayo. 10 to shoot. Back to JC. 10 to shoot now. Nice move. Fake short. Rebound on Adamson. Steal by JC. JC now. Looking for
Takayon na.
nice pass, Takayon, foul! Basket down and one on Takayon. Who's for that? Foul on number 8 on Adamson. First on Simbaco. Second team foul on Adamson. Bonus speed throw on Takayon. In and out. Oh! What a shot! Pull out chop. Wow, Taro now for 2. 2-point lead now on Adamson. Histole. In and out. Oh, rebound on Pakulba. Tagutong now. Stop up. Tagutong right. Tagutong goes to goal. Rebound by Histole. Histole. Guarded by Pakulba. Tarayo. Tumakalala. Steal. Turnover. It's white ball. Nice defense of LaSalle. 8 minutes, 29 seconds. 2-4. LaSalle. Histole. Bang! On Histole! 5-4. Back to 1-point lead on Adamson. JC. Stop up. Looking for his teammate. JC now. Guarded by Histole. 14 to shoot. 14. Takayon. In and out, rebound by Taro. Taro fake, foul. Who's ball it? Foul on Makalalad. First on Makalalad. Second, 13 foul on Adamson. Now the move coming from Taro. Seven minutes, 50 seconds to our first quarter. Our do or die match. LaSalle against Adamson. RUAAP Season 4 by Basketballista Histole. Pass outside of Tagutong, steal. Tagutong now, active by point guard. Tagutong goes to goal. Histole. It's 1-2. 1-3. Histole, stop up, looking for his teammate. Tarayo now, back to Histole. Histole, pump. In out, rebound on Takayon. Tagutong na, same pa to Pakulba. Nice pa to Taro now. Steal by the white shirt. Histole. It's 2-3. Histole now. Stop. Pass to Makalalad. Back-to-back turnover on Adamson. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 5-4. 1-point lead on Adamson. Now Pakulba. Bang on Pakulba. Now 7-5. Back to 2-point lead on LaSalle. So the winner of this match will advance to the semis against NUE. Makalala. Nice steal again on Pakulba. His second steal of the game. Pakulba drive. Pakulba fake. Oh, steal on Histole. Pakulba. Block by Pasole. Nice block to Pasole. Histole now. Histole, stop up. Solid drive. Looking for Simbaco. Black. By Takayon. Tagungtong now. It's 2-1. Tagungtong. Drive. Tagungtong. Foul. Foul on number 18 on Adamson. Warning for penalty on Adamson. First personal foul on De La Cruz. Six minutes. This is our quarter-final match. Adamson versus Lasal. Yes, on Tagungtong. 6 minutes. 8-5. 3-point lead on Lasal. Isole now. Looking for Tarayo. Escape. Tarayo. Open jump. Air ball. Rebound on Tagungtong. Tagungtong to Taro. Caro to Pakulba. Pasok Caro. Take Caro. Hand selfish move. Five Caro good. Rebound kay Tagungtong. Strong power ball by Tagungtong. 9-10-5. 5-point lead on Lasal. 5 minutes 50 seconds. Isole. Short. Rebound ng Lasal. Pakulba. Nice pass to Takayon. Oh, in and out. Rebound ng Latin shirt again.
Games to Tuesday for Wednesday.
I will finalize. Tuesday and Wednesday.
Oh, turnover on JC. 5 minutes. This is our do or die game. Lasal against Adamson. Our quarter-final match. Makalalad. Isitay. Pump. Triple shot. Short. Rebound ng Takayon. To Pakulba. Pakulba to JC now. JC. Pump. JC. Short. Isole. 4 minutes 40 seconds. Isole. 1-on-1 on Takayon. Screen by Tarayo. 14 to shoot. Stop by side. Out to every 40 foul. Foul on number 1 on JC. First personal foul on JC. First team foul. Lasal. 14 to shoot. 4 minutes 24 seconds. Isole. Oh! Still again may Pakulba. Isole. Nice move. Twirl. Nice move. Isole. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to set shot clock. 14 on Adamson. Our quarter-final match. Lasal against Pau. Oh! Foul on Caro. Second team foul on Lasal. First personal foul against Caro. Rebounding Simbaco. Isole. Back to Simbaco. 10 to shoot. 10. Still again. Oh no. Isole. Attempt for 3. Too strong. Rebound on the muscle man. Tagungtong. Stop. Pwede makalala. Tagungtong. Oh, Tagungtong. Wow! Tagungtong! 12 to 5. 7-point lead now on Lasal. 3 minutes 20 seconds. Our do or die match against Lasal and Adamson. Nice steal by Caro. JC pass to Kalba. In and out.
Nice one.
Short. Rebound on Makalalad. Makalalad to Isole. Isole carried by Pakulba. 1-on-1. Isole. Carried by 2. Ah! He's still again by Pakulba. Yes, on Pakulba. Timeout. Against Adamson. Two minutes 43 seconds. Remaining time, first quarter. Tarayo. Short. Simbaco. Foul. the National 23 Taguntong, 30 Paulo Lasal. First on Taguntong. Two minutes, 30 seconds. Short. Caro to JC. JC, stop up, looking for Tagutong. Wala naman tayo makalalad. Tagutong, crossover. White ball, white. Turnover on green, Lasal. Bowling ang Simbako to Tarayo. Simbako now. Looking for Makalalad. Short to De La Cruz. 14 to shoot. 14. Back to Simbako. To Isole. Pump. 3-point shot. Oh! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Isole! Now 9-14. Back to 5-point lead on Lasal. Tagutong. Guarded by De La Cruz. Tagutong escape to Takayon. Takayon open jump from jump. Too strong. Rebound on. Simbako. It's 3-2. Stop up. Ikuti Isole. Drive. Isole. Rebound on. Makalalad. Yes on time out. On Lasal. 11-14. 3-point lead now. Against Lasal. 3-point lead now, Lasal. 3-point lead on Lasal.
Check. Barista.
Tagutong now. 1-1 on Isole. Tagutong. Pass to Pakulba. Tagutong. Tagan, Pagubong! Yun na. Tagutong now. Oh, save by Tagutong. Caro to Takayon. Pass to Tagutong. Fake. Tagutong. Strong movement. Is short. Tagutong. Fake. Tagutong. 1-1. By 3. Short again. Rebound on the white shirt. 50 seconds. Oh, steal. 27 seconds. Wala move by Tagutong. Isole. Stop up. Isole. Attempt again. Short. Rebound by JC. JC to Tagutong. All alone. Tagutong. Foul.
Number 5.
Foul on number 5 on Tarayo. Second on Tarayo. Now, Adamson and penalty. 34 seconds. 34. Nice shot coming from the muscle man, Tagutong. 15-11. 34 seconds. Ah! 16-11. Inbound tawa Makalalad. To Isole. Isole. Looking for Tarayo. 14 to shoot. 20 seconds. Makalalad. 1-on-1 Tarayo. Makalalad. Jumper. Yes on Makalalad. 13 to 16. 10 seconds. Wobbling violation. Nice defense on Adamson. 7 seconds. 7. Basket count. 3-point shot against Makalalad. Now our score. 16. Lasal ball. And our first quarter score 16-all. 16. Wait. May player pa tayo, hindi nakalaro. Second quarter pa lang tayo. Palarin natin lahat. Third na sa usapan natin, third.
Screen. Bigyan ng screen. Sige.
Takayon.
Paulo.
Short. Iba nang Isole now. Guarded by Ray. Isole, coast to coast. Isole! Wala mo ba Isole? Now 2-point lead on Adamson. Foul. Foul on Makalalad. Second on Makalalad. First team foul on Adamson. This is our do-or-die match against Adamson and LaSalle. Ray stop Ray that moves short. Rebound ng Pakulba. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 9 minutes, 16 seconds. 14 to shoot. Only 2-point lead on Adamson now.
Wala silang sa.
Ray, big. State, 10 to shoot.
Nice boards.
Pakulba. Wow! Pakulba! 18 all now, 18 all. This is our second deadlock of the game. 18 all, Makalalad. Guarded by Ray. Move, big, move, drive. Open jump. Ayaw, in and out. Rebound on Ray. 8 minutes, 30 seconds. Ray looking for Takayon. Pass to the point guard, Ray. Ray now. Stop up. Is it 14 to shoot. 14. Takayon.
Jump!
To Ray. In and out. Rebound on the green shirts again. Ramos to Takayon. 10 to shoot. Steal on Adamson. All alone. Simbako. Yes, on Simbako. Now 20 to 18. 2-point lead on Adamson. Nice defense on Adamson. 7 minutes, 50 seconds remaining time. Second quarter, 20 against 18. 2-point lead on Adamson. Isole. Fake to Simbako. Drop up. Simbako coast to coast. 19 peso. Takayon rebound. Takayon looking for the point guard. Takayon to Ray. Now it's 4-on-2, 5-on-2. Takayon 4-2. Takayon drive. Ray drive. Yes, Ray. 20 all. Back to Isole. Stop up. Bang on Isole. The hand Isole. 22-20. Back to 2-point lead on Adamson. Ray. In and out. Steal on backside on Pakulba. Steal of the game. Pakulba! 22 all. This is with our 6th deadlock of the game. 6 minutes 40 seconds. LaSalle versus Adamson, RUAAP, Season 4, foul. Foul on number 11 on Ray. First team foul on LaSalle. 14 reset set at 14, 6 minutes 20. Isole, fake, drive. Isole again! What about Isole? 24 to 22, back to 2-point lead on Adamson. Block. Foul!
Foul number 5.
Foul on number 5 on Adamson. Tarayo. Third personal foul against Tarayo. Second team foul on Adamson. 2 free throw shot given by Pakulba. Short. 6 minutes. Our do-or-die game. LaSalle against Adamson. Now 23 to 24. Back to 1-point lead on Adamson. Isole. To Makalalad. Guarded by Ray. Back to Isole. Tarayo. 10 to shoot. 10. To De La Cruz. Nothing but net by De La Cruz. 26 to 23. Back to 3-point lead on Adamson. Ray now. Pass to Pakulba. Short. 5 minutes, 15 seconds. Adamson, 26. Lasal, 23. Pakalalan. 10 to shoot. Too strong. May ball on Simbaco. Simbaco now. Back to Tarayo. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 27, Ray. Second team foul on Lasal. Second on Ray. 14 is shot clock, 14.
Sino yun? Sa number?
27.
57.
47. Villarreal. Foul on Villarreal.
First number niya.
Alright. Right by Isole. Oh, nice defense on Isole. 26 to 23, 4 minutes, 28 seconds on our second quarter. Isole. Tumakalalan. Foul.
Number 12.
Foul on number 12.
First and
On Takayon.
third team.
Third team foul on Lasal. First on Takayon. 2 free throw shot on Makalalat. Short. 26. Against to 23. 4 minutes, 11 seconds. This is our do or die game against Lasal Adamson. 27 to 23. 4-point lead now on Adamson. Ray, setting a play. Screen by Pakulba. Ray stop up, looking for Pakulba. Pakulba, attempt for 3. Too strong, rebound Makalalan. Makalalan to Isole. Isole, pass. Isole, foul. Foul on number 24 on Lasal. Warning for penalty on Lasal.
LG Ramos first.
First on Algiram. Ramos.
Warning.
Warning for penalty on Lasal. 28 to 23 now. 28 to 23. 5-point lead on Adamson. Rebound ng Pakulba. Pakulba. Oh! Back-to-back turnover on Lasal. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 28 to 23. 5-point lead on Adamson. Isole. Wow! Turnover on Adamson. 3 minutes 10 seconds. Ray. Stop down. 8. Looking for Pakulba. Pakulba. Attempt for 3. Too strong. Rebound on Tarayo. Tarayo. Kick ball, reset, 24 shot clock, reset, 2 minutes, 49 seconds. Kick ball. Tarayo. Makalalan. Fake. Rebound on Ray. Right now. Too strong. Oh! Pakulba! 25 to 28. Back to 3-point lead on Lasal. On Adamson. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Isole. Foul. Foul on Ray. Penalty, penalty. Second personal foul on against Roy.
Meron pa? Oo.
2 minutes, 20 seconds. Basket timeout, Terep. Basket timeout. Timeout! Adamson. Our score 29 to 25. Lasal po, Lasal.
Oh, bola doon, no? Bola.
Inbound ni Pakulba. To right. Pakulba. To right, coast to coast. Inbound ng Makalalad. Makalalad. Isole, Sambaco, block by Pakulba. Tarayo, Makalalad. Basket count and 1 on Makalalad. Foul rep. Foul number 15 on Pakulba. Now Lasalin penalty. First personal foul against Pakulba. Bonus throw against Makalalad. 1 minute 58 seconds. 32 to 25, 7-point lead now on Adamson. This is our quarter-final match, do-or-die game. LaSalle against Adamson. Ramos. Time to shoot.
Labas.
Takuyan. Kulba. Steve.
Kaya.
Makalalad, left-handed. Yes! On Makalalad. 34 against 225. 9-point lead now on Adamson. Still again by Simbaco. Simbaco to Isole drive. Isole goes to... Oh! Isole! 36 to 25. 11-point lead now on Adamson. Foul. Foul on the right. Time out! Walang time out tayo. Tapos na yung time out nyo. Tapos na yung time out. Both teams no time out. No time out. 56 seconds. 13 foul on Adamson. Whoa! What a pass from Pakulba to Takayon. 27-36, back to 9-point lead. On Adamson, 40 seconds. Short. Rebound on Ray. To Pakulba. Wow! Pakulba! 30! Yes, Makalalad. 38 to 29, 15 seconds.
Tao!
Whoa! Pakulba! 10!
Nice shot!
Dalens. Oy!
4 seconds more. White ball. 4 seconds more. Oh, foul. Foul on number 11, right. Penalty trap.
Warning po, technical number 11
Nice.
Warning on Ray for continuous complaining. Warning on number 11 on Ray.
Third person.
Third personal foul against Ray.
Hindi ka nagdadala doon, yung Pakulba. Sableo.
No time out. Time out now. No time left. And now to second quarter, 39 to 31. Defense Lasal. La Peguera. Saviliano. Alarcon. Pusaten. Short. Ibanon. Caro.
Balik na.
Right.
Mayroong tubig dyan, oh. Dinilit ko si Trace.
Steve. La Peguera. Still by JC. Pakulba. Yes, sir, Pakulba. 33 to 44. 11-point lead now, Adamson. The director to La Figuera. La Figuera, stop up. Looking for somebody to Alarcon. Alarcon, big shot, stop. Pass to Padre Alarcon into steal. Al Pakulba is 7th steal of the game. Right. To right drive. Foul. Foul on number 21 on the director sa plan. First on the director. First team foul on Adamson.
Pero sabihin mo kung ano ang sabi ni Sylvie na punta ba siya dyan.
44 to 33, 9 minutes. (44 to 34), back to 10-point lead now on Adamson. La Figuera. Started by JC. La Figuera. Pass to the director sa plan. First attempt, first 3-point shot, too strong. Rebound on Pakulba. Win ball, Lasal. JC. Pass to Ray, back to JC. JC, open jumper, too strong. Rebound on Alarcon. Alarcon to the director now sa plan. Pass to Sabiliano. Too strong. Rebound on Pakulba. Pakulba now. Pakulba steal. Pass. Oh! Turnover on Pakulba. Only 44 to 34. Our do or die game. LaSalle. Rampage against Adamson. Falcons short. Rebound again on Pakulba. His 9th part of the game. 9 rebound of the game. Pakulba. Pakulba to Caro. Nice fake. She should move. Caro again. Caro fake. Caro. Stop up. Caro pass. Caro again. Too slow. Rebound by Lapiguera. Lapiguera to Sablan. Sablan now. Pass to Lapiguera. Lapiguera. Lani Beri. Lapiguera. Goes to goals. Pass to Padre Alarcon. 46 to 34. Back to 12-point lead on Adamson. Ray. Pass to JC. Looking for block behind by Alarcon. Sabiliano.
Nice pass!
Sabiliano. Steal by Caro. Caro now. Caro. Pass to Pakulba. Pakulba. 3-point shot. In and out. 3-point on the director. Steal by Ray. Right now. Too strong. Sabiliano.
Huwag niyo ipilit sa tres. Mahaba pa oras.
Sabiliano, goal to La Figuera, too strong, rebound by Alarcon. Steal by the green shirt, Caro. It's 3-on-2. Pakulba. Yes, on Pakulba.
Baba sa baba.
Now 46 to 36. 10-point lead on Adamson. Our do or die match on UAAP Season 4. Adamson against LaSalle. Villaruz. Villaruz now. Stop up, short. Pakulba again, downside. Pakulba! Basket count on Pakulba! Foul on number 22, Padre Alarcon. Now 8-point lead on Adamson, 46 against the 38. First personal foul on the Padre Alarcon, second team foul, Adamson. Our quarter-final match, do or die game. Adamson against LaSalle.
Ano tayo sa loob? Kaya yung
46 to 39. 7-point lead now on Adamson. Sabiliano. Alarcon. Too strong, air ball, rebound on Pakulba. Pakulba now, his 8th rebound of the game. He's to triple-double, Pakulba. Ray. Pakulba again. Yow! What a man! Time out! On 5 minutes, 36 seconds, 46 against the 41. La Figuera. Too strong. Top by Papao. Foul on number 1 on JC.
Second on siya.
First team foul on Lasal. Second personal foul against JC. Sapiliano. Pass to Parazon. Foul! Foul on number 7 on Caro.
Second on siya.
Second personal foul on Caro. Second team foul, Lasal. Oh, what a shot by Padre Alarcon. 47 to 41. Back to 6-point lead on Nelson. Wow, back to shot by Alarcon. 48 to 41. Back to 7-point lead on Nelson. This is your do or die match. Caro, fake. Down, Caro, blocked by...
Wait lang! Hindi mo tayo!
In and out. Rebound on the green shirts. Champol. Lasal ball, Lasal. Substitution terem, sub. Lasal ball, Lasal. Score 48 against 41. This is our quarter-final match. During the game, LaSalle against Adamson. The winner of match will fight for semis. Fake, nice move. Caro, too strong. Takayon. Rubbling by Rachel Robin.
Bola! Red decision, rep! Papadala nga sa tawa. Rep! Nice one! Sabay!
Rep.
Kulba. Steve by Sevillano. Under the turn now. Ball by JC. Sevillano. Short. Rebound by La Figuera. Fake. Yes, on La Figuera. 50-41. Back to 9-point lead. So 3 minutes. Traveling by Rachel, traveling. Time out! On the 2 minutes, 50 seconds. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Our score 50 against 41. Favor of Adamson. La Figuera. Carried by Ramos. La Figuera. Pull out jumper. La Figuera. 52-41 now. 11-point lead on Adamson. Villaruel. To Takayon. Paso Pakulba. Hangtan Pakulba. Tistro. Rebound sa Villano. Sa Villano to La Figuera. La Figuera goes to goal. La Figuera. 54-41. Pakulba. Foul.
Sida!
Foul on number 21. Second personal foul on Adam Sablan. Warning for penalty on Adamson. 54-41. 13-point lead on Adamson. 54-42.
Pagod ako kayo.
54-43, 9-point lead now. Adamson, 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Sablan, the director to La Figuera. Foul. Foul on number 15, Pagulba. Second on Pagulba, third team foul, Lasal. La Figuera. To Sevillano. Fake. Drive. Time to shoot. 10. High. Yes! 56-43. JC. Pass to Villaruel. Yes! And Villaruel! 56-45. Back to 11-point lead on Adamson. Sa Director Sablan. 40 to shoot.
Nice!
Whoa! The Director Sablan. 58-45. 18-point lead now.
Stop tayo! Stop pa!
In and out. Iba naman Pakulba. Fake. What a move by Pakulba! Yo-yo move on Pakulba. 50-47.
Siya ba ng second game?
Yes, timeout! On Lasal.
Ano daw ako sa?
Sino second game sa?
Apex 4.
UST Cells anong laro?
30, 40, 30.
Ah, third game.
9 pa 9.
Ramos. Short. Patakayon. Oh! Rebound by the Daddy. Big Daddy now. Big Daddy up. Sabiliano to drop. Para black. Wala black by Villaruel. 29 seconds, 29. Big rebound on the Big Daddy. Alarcon.
Nice one!
Big Daddy again. Oh! Big Daddy. 23 seconds.
Tatambay yung guys, boss.
15.
Last one, you won! Euro!
5. Euro step and goal. Euro step again.
San Bandi!
And number 3. This is our do or die match. LaSalle Adamson. Quarter final match. LaSalle and Adamson. La Figuera, guarded by Ray. Fake Sabiliano. Airball too strong. Rebound on the green shirt. Oh, Steve by Sipago. Fake. 10 to shoot. 10.
Tago nga, may 3 game pa tayo, maubos yan.
Gamit tayo, Kasa. Gamit tayo, Konse. Sige. Buwa kami!
Tatlo!
Tago nga yan, wala natin tubig 3 game pa tayo.
Yes! 66-47. 9 minutes. JC. Too strong. Rebound ng Pakulba. Against short. Pakulba rebound. Yes, on Pakulba. 49-66. 8 minutes, 50 seconds. La Figuera. To Sabiliano. To La Figuera. Stop back to Makalan. Steal by Caro. Caro now. It's 4-2. Caro. Too strong. Rebound again. May Makalan. Foul. Foul on number 35 on Makalalad. Third on Makalalad. First team foul on Adamson. 8 minutes 30 seconds. 16-point lead on Adamson. 66 against 50.
Dalawa!
March now in the ball game. March to La Figuera. La Figuera. Stop up. Ulo jump short. Rebound by JC. JC it's 2-1. JC to Pakulba. Pakulba. Yes on Pakulba. 54-66. 52-66. 14-point lead now on Adamson. 8 minutes. La Figuera. Guard by Ray to Sadia. Sabiliano. 10 to shoot, Sabillano. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Sabillano! 69 to 52, back to 17-point lead. On Nelson, Ray, stop pump. Open jump, too strong, rebound on Simbaco. March. Back to March. Sabillano.
Back to back!
Bang! Bang, 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 bang! On Sabillano! 72 to 52, 20-point lead now on Adamson. 7 minutes. Ray to JC. JC stop, pump. Too strong. Rebound on the white shirt. Makalalad. Pow! Foul on number 12. Takayo substitution wraps up. First team foul on Lasal. Second personal foul on Takayon. La Peguera to March. Pass to Sabillano, same spot. Hesitate. Drive
Oy, ganda!
to Makalalad. Makalalad to La Peguera, 10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! It's raining in Manila. 75-52. Too strong. Rebound on Makalalad. Makalalad now. It's 4-2. Adamson, same spot. Sadia.
Set!
Sadia, 14 to shoot, 14. 10. Per ball. Rebound on Akulba. Akulba to Ray. Ray, carry by Makalalad. Oh! Ano mo ba, Ray? 54 to 75. Back to 21-point lead on Adamson. 5 minutes, 50 seconds. Sadia. Pass to Makalalad. Makalalad, back to Sadia. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. 3-second violation on Simbaco. Substitution na wraps up. Sabillano out. Time out on Lasal. Our next game will be all Filipino Cup. Emirates versus FX4. Caro. Ray. To shoot 10. Foul. Oh!
Wala.
Basket not count. Foul.
Call number.
Foul number 18 on De La Cruz. Second team foul on Adamson. 14 to the shot Central. 14.
Second on the
Second on De La Cruz. 8. 10 to shoot.
Wala!
Ramos. Foul.
Nice team!
Foul on Makalalad. 13 foul on Adamson. Makalalad. 4th foul. Warning on Makalalad. Caro. Rebound Takayon. 14 to shoot lahat. Ray. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Ray! 57-75. 4 minutes, 40 seconds on the last quarter. De La Cruz. Rebound on Ramos.
Simbaco!
Ramos now. Stop pump. Ramos blocked by De La Cruz. March. Caro. Caro to Takayon. 14 to shoot. 14. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Ray. Back to back 3-point shot on Ray. 4 minutes. 75 to 60. This is our quarter-final match. Adamson against Lasal. La Peguera. Pull chop, too strong. Rebound on Makalalad. Steal on Pangulba.
Pag nato 3 points pa, yari tayo. Ayan niya.
Substitution tayo, Rams up. Time out against Alamso. March, now in the ball game, March. Pass to Isole, Isole. Back to March. To Alaton, back to March. 14 to shoot. Isole. 10. Foul. Small rep. Foul on number 11 on Ray. Second team foul on Lasal, 14 to shoot. Warning on Ray, fourth foul on Ray. Black by Alaton. Padre Daddy Pare, Daddy Black. By Caro. Steal on Akulba. It's 2-on-1, 3-on-2. Akulba, foul. Foul on number 3 on Sadia, number 9 Sadia.
Walang foul daw.
No, foul, ball. 3 minutes, 17 to shoot, 17.
Bola! Tapos sabay sa... Yung sa taas, sa taas.
Air ball. 3 minutes. 15-point lead now on Alamson, our last quarter. Will be advanced to the semi-final game on Friday. Alamson or Lasal. Sadia. 14 to shoot. 10.
Last na chingwen.
14 to shoot na set cut. 14. So again, Sadia 10 to shoot.
Venga, Lasat. Sadlak.
Nice one!
Too strong. Oh, Daddy Banger! Big Daddy! What a move, strong move by the Big Daddy! 2 minutes, 15 seconds.
50 points.
Air ball now, air ball. Last 2 minutes. Time out on.
Barilin mo. Pasahan mo. Barilin mo. Headshot. Pag makalimutan.
Our next game will be all Filipino Cup. FX4 against Emirates.
Bakit ka nag-left? Mapapicture pa tayo?
Foul. Foul on Villarreal. 13 foul on Lasal. 1 minute 54 seconds. 1 minute 54 seconds. 42%. Who will be advanced to the semi-final game? Lasal or Adamson? 1 minute 48 seconds. Takayon. Villarreal. Air ball. Box to box air ball. White ball now. White ball. 1 minute 38 seconds. Of our last quarter. Isole. 14 to shoot. Alarcon. Too strong. Final round! What a big daddy Alarcon! 79 to 60. 1 minute.
Ayaw na to.
Steal pa. Bigyan mo yung steal. Pag mo kung single, oh.
Baby Alarcon, Eurostep, too slow. Di pa ba Isole? 50 seconds. 14 to shoot, 14. 10. Air ball on the Big Daddy. 30 seconds.
Leo, siyempre.
25 seconds. 14 to shoot. Bang! 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 On Pakulba. 18 seconds. against UE on Friday.